Alright, let's look at the homework 6.4, problem number 5, part B. Alright, so this time we're using the same rope, but we're going to only pull it up halfway. Alright, so if that's the case, what we want to do is we can pretend that since the bottom half is not going to be pulled up all the way, so what happens is we can think of this as this. So you have a rope 30 feet long, so I'm going to just draw that. The bottom part, I'm going to just make it into a ball. So let's see, I'm going to make this guy into a ball. So let's say something like that. Right? So this portion right here, bottom portion, is going to be turning into just a ball of rope. Right? So bottom half, so it's at 0.5 pounds per feet, and there's a 30 feet at the bottom, so 30 times 0.5, so you can see that this guy is going to be, let's say 15 pounds. All right, just this guy. All right, so it's pulling it down at 15 pounds. All right, so that's going to be the force, right? So if you want to set up, you want to find the work, all you have to do is 15 pounds moving just a little bit, so that's delta x. So this is going to be simply 15 times delta x, right? Then you can just add up all the pieces from 0 to 30, right? All right, so the bottom part is already taken care of, and top part is exactly the same setup. So if you look at the xi, so here's let's put xi here, right? Then you look at the little piece which has with say delta x, right? Then the force just on this guy is going to be, again, 0.5 times delta x. So Fi is going to be 0.5 delta x, right? Then this piece has to move all the way up to the top. So in this case, it's going to move xi, right? So the work, just like before, is exactly the same as part A. So it's going to be a 0.5 xi delta x, right? So we're going to have 0.5 xi, delta x is out here, so we just add them up, right? And then express the work. So all you have to do is it goes from 0 to 30 in this case, because it goes only halfway. And then we just have to 0.5x plus 15, right? So let's evaluate this integral. So this is going to be, all right, I'm going to go ahead and find the antiderivative. So 1.5 is 1/2. So you have x squared divided by 2, but the 0.5 is there, so I'm going to put 4 there. And plus 15 times x. Then you're going from 0 to 30, all right? So if you plug it in, 30 square would be 900, and divide by 4, plus plug in 30, so 15 times 30 would be 450. All right, if you plug in 0, so I'm not going to write anything down here. So this is going to be, all right, so 900 divided by 4 would be what? So we can put 2 of them in there, and 2 and 5, right? Plus 450. So this is going to be 675. Right, so 675 foot-pounds. All right, so let's type it in. All right, we got, let's see, 0.5 xi plus 15. And this is going to be just 0 to 30, 0.5 x plus 15. Then we got the 675, right? Let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got part B correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.